Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. Welcome back to another episode. Today I am cooking hamburgers with salad. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to create this yummy hamburger. And yeah, so let me show you what you need. So what you're going to need is your ground beef, your seasoning, your onions, green onion, and a little bit of celery. That's what you're going to need. And you're going to need a bowl to mix it all in by hand, not with any fancy mixers, just your bare hands, because you want to get down and dirty with it, because it feels amazing. What you're going to do is cut all your vegetables up. So let's start with the green onion. Now you're going to add the main thing, your ground beef. That's what you want to do. You want to unwrap it and just throw it all in there. You can break it up along the way as it goes in. Yeah, I'm going to use it all. Use it all. Just gonna smush it all down and mix it. What you want to do is get your pan nice and hot. So we're going to turn it to a 6.5, and we're going to wait for it to get nice and hot so that we can put in our patties. But we haven't created the patties yet, so while it's getting hot, we're going to make our patties. Now what you're going to do is take your meat and you're going to put them into patties. Just going to take a chunk of the meat, put it into a ball, and sometimes the vegetables fall out. It happens. And then you're going to squish them into a patty like so. Is nice and hot, you're going to add the patties one at a time in there. Now, when cooking these patties, you want to cook them for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to cook them for 4 because it's right in the middle. So 4 minutes because it's right in the middle on each side. And you got to check them periodically that you're not burning them. Because in 4 minutes, and we're going to flip these patties. See? They're not coming out burnt. They're coming out with, like I wouldn't say they're burnt, but they're just coming out golden brown on the side. And that's what you want. And sometimes a patty will break. So, it happens. Now it's time to create the salad in the bowl that we were using before, but we washed it out because you can't just use it how it is. It's kind of gross if you did that with all that meat in it. So, first thing you're going to do is add your salad mix. Just gonna take it out and dump it in. For this kind of size of bowl, you want a little under half, maybe half at most for salad, because if it's just you, then you want a lot less than that. But if it's not, if it's for 2 people, half a bowl will be great. And now you add your seeds with your cranberries. Just mix that all in. And the pièce de résistance, the best thing, the salad dressing. Cannot forget about the salad dressing, the most important thing. And now you mix away. Now that your hamburgers are done and they look amazing on both sides, even though it is a little bit more cooked on one side than the other, it happens. You're gonna take them, you're gonna place them onto a plate. But first you gotta turn this off, because you can't leave the heat on. Now it's time to put everything together on the plate. So you're gonna add your patties. Now it's time to add your salad. Smells amazing. And you're going to add your mustard on top of your patties, if you like mustard on top of your patties. And there you go. If you are the creator of food, the chef, the whatever you want to call yourself, you always have to try your food. Why? Because you want to make sure it always tastes good. So we're going to try the hamburger meat right now. See? The hamburger meat with mustard. That is good. That is good. And then you want to try your salad. And here's the salad. It's all good. It's all great. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed watching my episode today. Please remember to comment below on what you want me to cook. I will cook anything you want, please. People have already told me what they want to cook, and I've done it for them. So please comment below. Also, hit that thumbs up button. Smash it, squash it, high five it. Do whatever you have to. Hit that thumbs up button. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You guys are one of a kind. You guys are beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Sinkovich and being part of Jay's squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.